Hello everyone, welcome to our first product review. Today our focus will be on reviewing this device. It's the Nokia portable wireless speaker 2. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside this box. To be honest with you guys, I did open this before. Anyway, inside you can find the device itself and a charging cable. Okay, let me remove this cover first. Okay, the first thing to say when holding this device first time is that the outside materials are really good. It feels really nice. That because this outside casing is entirely made from certified post-consumer waste materials, and this speaker mesh also made from 100% recycled aluminium. This device also has a battery life of 22 hours and it delivers 5 watt sound, which means between charge you can use this a lot. This one also waterproof, which means tossing this into the pool is permitted if you want, but I really don't see myself doing that. I mean, how can you throw this cute little device into the pool? I am not going to do that, okay? Okay, this one also has a built-in mic, which is really good, and it also capable for clearly capturing your voice when you're on a call. Then if you want to extend the microphone range and the sound, you can use 2 speakers that connected using Bluetooth. Remember, since the battery life is good, this is really good for conference calls too. Okay, now let me explain the controllers here. It's really simple. Here we have our on and off button. The 2 buttons next to it are the volume controllers. Okay, sorry, the middle one is the play and pause button. To turn up the volume, you can click this plus button. To turn it down, you can click this -1. And there is another one, that is the mute button. There's a rubber flap here. Inside, you can find the USB-C port where the charging cable is going to connect. This is the 3.5mm port and 1 card slot where you can insert an SD card. Now let's connect this to my mobile phone. So I'm going to turn it on, click this power button. Okay. Okay, now it's connected. Anyway, I'm not going to play a song and get a copyright warning from YouTube for my first product review. For that reason, we will try something else. So I'm going to play this short video from my channel. And to connect, and this is the 3.5mm port and 1 card slot where you can insert an SD card. That's it. I mean, I'm not sure you will be able to hear this, but when considering the size of the speaker, the sound quality is really good. Okay, here in the box contains some information that we have previously talked about. It says ecological and portable design, integrated microphone for calls, link to speakers for stereo output made out of recycled materials, enjoy up to 22 hours of battery life. However, it's an excellent device that can be taken anywhere. I mean the size of the speaker, the sound quality is really good, the design is really good also, and the price is also reasonable. I mean, this can be purchased for around $80 to $100. Alright, that's all I have to say about this cute little device. So guys, if you like our first product review, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, Until next time, goodbye and God bless you all.